Oh, another one, and it's a big one, biggie.
Oh, yes! Oh, it was in the slot because attempted slow delivery.
Oh, number 3. Is it the number 3? Yes, dear. And here we go for action. It was an over-pitch delivery and dispatch towards mid-wicket.
And he goes big, and he goes for another maximum. And yes, he goes big. And this is the announcement. Arslan joins in the middle.
Starts off with a full toss and it's been tonked down the ground and it's gone all the way. And this time it's in the slot and it goes away. And this time full toss and it's a whip and a nice whip.
This time straight a one, straight at the netto for a maximum.
Yeah! Hit me and hit me. Does he do the batter?
इस मर्तबा शानदार शॉट पहली गेंद पर इस्तेमाल किया है इस छक्के के साथ.
Big half century and he goes for it. He's got to get his half century in a grand manner. 6 over Dickens here and here goes the bowler. Has belted that one in the air and he has.
ये फुल टॉस थी और यकीनी तौर पर इस तरह खराब गेंदें सच्चा जाने नहीं देते. इस मर्तबा उठा के खेले हैं, मौका है, देखना पड़ेगा. गेंद हवा में.
Taimur Mirza over that long on boundary fielder for a straight away. Taimur Mirza lodged it for a maximum.
This one is hit it in the air.
This time in the slot and see you later. Flat over wideish mid-off. Oh, flat and safely over the boundary. Back-to-back sixes.
But don't wait. Is it going out of the park? Yes. Fun. It's a full toss delivery. Dispatched nicely on the extra cover. Will he go for another big one? Yes, it's going, and goodbye. What a good shot. Oh, very good shot. It was a juicy full toss. Another one. It's going. Yes, it's clearing the fence and disappearing. Oh, yes. Is it the number 4? Straight as an arrow. Oh, started this one with a maximum. Asan Chitta started well. Oh, it's a very good shot. Stand and deliver over the long off area for the maximum.
This time left-hander hits one and he's hit that. And there you go. The innings underway with a bang. And he starts off with a shot. It's been pulled. It's in the air. Has it have enough legs? Yes, it has.
और इस मर्तबा यकीनी तौर पर जब आप मौका फराहम करेंगे, इस मर्तबा उठा के खेले हैं. शानदार शॉट, देखना पड़ेगा.
And it's a 6 number 3. It's a free hit, and yes, got some distance going over the park from Ahmed Kulfi, but this time it won't work. Again, a slow delivery. This time,
But this time around he has been picked away and he has been picked away in the spectators.
No, he can't. Or can he? Is that dropping inside the rope? No! 6 more.
And Jahangir has put that away over the boundary. Full toss and gets tonked.
Look how straight that one is. That's gone right over the top.
Goes again in the air. What a beautiful shot.
another one, and then this time over the square leg boundary.
Banged straight away for a maximum. Bahadur Ali on the leg side over the boundary for a maximum.
This one is straight away in the air and he has pulled that away.